If you want to build a portfolio but have no idea what to write, what sections to include, or how it should look, this tutorial is for you. We're going to use resume.io to organize your ideas and generate a detailed portfolio prompt. Then we will paste that prompt into Lovable to create our first website concept. But we are not stopping with AI-generated result. I will also show you how to rebuild and personalize the design in Canva using the ruler guide template I provided. This helps you understand the layout and start developing your own creative style instead of relying completely on AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a portfolio concept, a visual reference, and a design that feels more like your own work. First, go to resume.io. If you do not have an account yet, click sign up and create one. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your details. Once you're logged in, open the sidebar and select the prompt generator. The generator will guide you through 9 simple steps, and your answers do not need to be perfectly written. You can enter rough notes, short descriptions, or incomplete ideas. Resume.io will use your answers to organize your information and generate a detailed prompt that you can use to start building your portfolio. Once you have completed all 9 steps, review your answers and make sure everything is accurate, and then click Generate Prompt. Resume.io will organize your answers into a complete portfolio prompt containing your content, target audience, services, projects, and visual directions. Once you're already happy with it, click Copy Prompt. Next, go to Lovable and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, just create one. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Click the chat box and paste the complete prompt you copied from resume.io. After pasting the prompt, click Send. Lovable will use the information, content, and design direction from your prompt to create the first version of your portfolio. This is the portfolio Lovable generated from our prompt, so you can publish this version as it is or continue improving it by sending more instruction through the Lovable chat. However, I also recommend using this design as an opportunity to learn another valuable skill, which is designing your own portfolio in Canva. Canva is beginner-friendly, and rebuilding the design yourself will help you practice layout, spacing, typography, color, and visual hierarchy. We will use the Lovable portfolio as our design reference, but we will still make our own creative decisions in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. From the Canva dashboard, click the 3-dot menu and select Templates. Type website into the search bar. Canva will show you several website templates that you can use as your starting point. You are welcome to choose any template that matches your preferred style. However, I recommend starting with a blank canvas. This gives you more creative freedom and helps you understand how the design is structured instead of simply replacing the content inside an existing template. Before we begin designing, we need to set up our rulers and guides. This will help us keep the layout aligned, balanced, and consistent. You have 2 options. So the first option is to click File, Open Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides, then adjust from there. The second option is to use your own removable ruler templates. Personally, I prefer this method because I can use the guides while designing and then remove them to see a completely clean section. So I created 2 ruler options, a thick ruler and a thin ruler, so you can choose whichever one is easier for you to see while designing. I also added container templates that you can use to keep your text, images, and other elements within a consistent content area. I will be giving you a free copy of this ruler and container templates so you can access them through the link in the description below. Now that our canvas is properly set up, I will show you how to recreate the first hero section using the Lovable design as our reference. We are not going to copy it exactly. We will use the original structure as our starting point, then adjust the layout, typography, colors, and visual details based on our own preferences. First, choose 2 fonts for the portfolio. Press T to create 2 text boxes. I will use Libertinous Sans for the headings. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. And Poppins for the body text. buttons, and smaller details. So for adding the reference, take a screenshot of the hero section created by Lovable, upload it to Canva, and place it beside your canvas as a reference. We will follow its general structure while changing the design based on our preferences. The references uses a 2-column layout. Duplicate the ruler and container guide, then position one ruler in the center of the page. Select the ruler, right-click, position, and choose center. The left panel contains an eyebrow title, a main heading, supporting text, and 2 call to action buttons. I will remove the additional text at the bottom because I prefer a simpler layout. So copy Social Media Manager Manila and paste it onto the left panel. Change it to uppercase, reduce the size, and left align it with a container guide. Use a lighter color or lower the opacity so it remains subtle. Next, paste the main headings. So the main heading is I plan and design social content for beauty and lifestyle brand. Apply libertinous sans and then left align the text and resize it to fit within the container on the left side. Adjust the text box so the heading appears in 3 lines. Reduce the line spacing slightly to create a more compact layout, or depends on you what preference you like. The next thing that we're going to do is to italize the words beauty and lifestyle. Add a rounded rectangle behind beauty. Choose a color and move the shape behind the text. Reduce its transparency slightly. Duplicate the shape, place it behind lifestyle, adjust its width, and change the color. So next is duplicate the Poppins text box and place it under the heading. Paste the supporting text from Lovable. Remove the uppercase formatting and adjust the size and width for readability. Press R to create a rectangle, resize it and align it with the left container guide. Change the fill to pink, then duplicate the Poppins text box and type book a free call. Change the text color to cream, select the text and rectangle, then use position to align them to the center. Duplicate the first button and place it beside the primary button. Remove the fill, add a black outline, and set the stroke weight to 2. Change the text color to black and replace the label with See My Sample Campaign. Select the text and container, then align them to the center and middle. The left panel is now complete. Next, we will add the photo to the right panel. Open Elements, search for frames, and select a square frame. Resize and align the frame inside the right panel. Leave consistent spacing around for it. For this design, I will just do a 24 pixel margin. Then you can use a professional headshot, personal brand photo, or another image that represents your work. Now the hero section is ready for the final photo. Next, upload the photo you want to use. Drag the photo into the frame, then double-click it to adjust its positioning, or if you want to crop it, basically. Position the image until it feels balanced with the text on the left side. Now that the first section is complete, you can remove the rulers and container guides to reveal the clean layout. This is why I prefer using removable rulers, because they help maintain consistent spacing and alignment while designing, and I can easily remove them to preview the final section. So our hero section is now complete. It follows the general structure generated by Lovable, but we have customized the typography, color spacing, highlights, and other visual details. So to continue building the portfolio, just click Add Section, return to Lovable, and take a screenshot of the next section you want to recreate. Place the screenshot beside your Canva canvas and repeat the same process. Study the text, image, container, spacing, and visual hierarchy, then rebuild the section using your own design choices. Repeat these steps until you have completed the entire portfolio. This completes our process of generating a portfolio prompt with resume.io, creating the first concept in Lovable, and rebuilding it in Canva. Once your design is complete, review your content, spellings, buttons, links, and mobile layout. Change the project name to portfolio or use your full name and professional title. Next, click Publish Website, review the publishing option, and click Publish. After publishing, click View Your Website. Canva will provide you with a website link that you can share with potential clients and employers. Add the link to your resume, job application, LinkedIn profile, email signature, or professional social media accounts. You can also send it directly to a potential client as a convenient way to present your services, skills, and work samples. The Canva version gives you more freedom to customize your portfolio and present your work in your own styles. Most importantly, you did not simply accept the first result created by AI. You use it as a starting point while learning how to build and customize the design yourself. Resume.io helped organize the information, Lovable helped visualize the first concept, and Canva helped turn that concept into a more personal design while allowing you to practice a valuable creative skills. So that's it for this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.